Following the Uthando Nestembo Uncut episode where Mayeni and Musa ended up talking about Vuyokazi, she received a lot of backlash, where she ended up going back and forth with fans of the show, responded to everything that was said on the show. What had happened was, on the show when Mayeni was talking about missing the kids, she also said this.
Hey, it's a tie. It's a close.
Umhlopekazi wafika ekufikeni kwakhe yebo babecelile ukuthi abe ngapha leso sikhashana ngoba nakho kwakade kungekho right bethi angazi kuyadutshulwana ngala eCape Town in so ingane yahlala ke nathi ngapha.
Indaba kaVuyakazi noMpumelelo had Musa and Mayeni pulling in different directions.
uVuyokazi nina ninompumelelo beningamfuni kwalelwa yimina today.
Hayi mina uVuyokazi ngangamazi ungangibekeli kambi.
No ngisho wena ukuthi kusho ukuthi awukangazi ngoba uVuyokazi ula ekhaya namhlanje because mina I had to rise nga defend umuntu engingamazi ngathi akalandwa mina kodwa uyavuma mina okay ngamlanda
bathi ngamdiscuss ingane
no ngizama ukuthi
ngicela singakhulumi ngeVuyokazi ngikhuluma mina ngikhuluma ngompumelelo ukuthi ngicela ungambulali
your mistake
ngicela ukuthi kumele umenze into wrong correct
no konko
Yo, my heart's beating because this is the second time we're doing this, guys. I don't know why it has to happen again. Yena uzokwenza lento afuna uyenza and no one can tell me about it, whether it's wrong or right.
And somehow everything that was said on the show about Vuyokazi seemingly triggered her because she then came out responding saying, this is just a glimpse of what happened back then. 2019, she got pregnant, she says, then started getting phone calls from girlfriends, threatening texts, accused of witchcraft. So on this, I was like, aha, now I understand why Tirelo on one of their fights with Vuyokazi ended up calling Vuyo a witch. She says that she was accused of a miscarriage that occurred around that time. Fake accounts were created using her name, saying she was busy insulting Mpumelo's mother Mayeni and her sisters. His mother called her mother because apparently she was insulting Mayeni on social media. She got dumped, almost lost her daughter due to stress of defending herself against others. 2020, she gave birth, opened a case because she was scared. However, this continued. The real person behind the fake accounts and texts was found by his dad. Apologies were made. 2021, they got back together. There's still so much more, she says. She then went on to say that she's not explaining herself. She's just annoyed. It gets to a point. Now when I tell you people came for her in her comment section, I mean that. She ended up saying people are talking about things they know nothing about. And this was when someone had said to her, Mayeni raised Mhlopekazi. The least you could have done was notify her that you were taking Mhlope for good. It's just human decency. She also said she was very pissed, maybe while watching the show. And this was when someone had said it was definitely wrong of them Selokos to give half of the story, not go in depth. If they wanted to share, everything must be shared to the end. You will be vindicated, V. The time has arrived, sis. Don't be moved. Yo, it was crazy in her comment section. She even told others not to be stupid. This was when they were asking why she's talking about this now, whether she misses Mpumelelo. Is this your way of getting his attention? Leave the guy alone. He has a family and he's a married man now. You'll end up being labeled a bitter baby mama. I love you, but in this case, you don't have to dig up their past. Someone also went ahead and said, yes, we know you have been in a toxic relationship, but it passed. According to me, I think you have moved on, but when you write things like this, it seems like you haven't moved on. You're doing well, I don't want to lie. So stop posting these things. You have to move on. I know it's not easy, but it's worth it. Stop dwelling on the past. Here she was like, why are them Selokos not moving on? Some of the comments y'all are leaving here are pure stupidity. She went on to say, they speak about my past on TV. but I must shut up and not say anything about the past. Y'all are getting too comfortable with me. Bottom line, lemutlaela hampi. That's what she said. Do you think it was necessary for her to respond or react maybe to the episode, or it was just clout chasing like people are saying? Or it's well within her right to do so because they were talking about her? Let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.